The concat function combines text from different cells or strings to form a single string, but it does not have option to add a delimiter or ignore empty cells. It replaces older concatenate function and is available only in Office 2019 and Office 365 subscription. Let's test it. You see here the different texts, text 1, text 2, text 3, text 4. We can use concat function to combine this text into a single column. Let's use a formula. Is equal to concat, open parenthesis, and we use text 1, comma, then text 2, comma, text 3, comma, then text 4. Thus, the text enders, close the parenthesis and hit enter. See, A, B, C, D are in same cell. We can use this same formula using the autofill option to the end. The concat function doesn't have built-in argument to automatically add a delimiter or space delimiter to combine the text. For example, these two words are different words, but there is no space here. You have to manually specify the delimiter. For example, if you want to add any delimiter, space delimiter here, what we have to do, just use the formula is equal to concat, then the first text, comma, within the inverted comma you put the space, close the inverted comma, comma, then the second text, close the parenthesis, hit enter. Hello world, see here is the space. We have to manually add the delimiter, space delimiter or comma delimiter if we want to use, but it is not automatically available in this concat function. Let's do the other example. Here are name, the profession, age, and here is the address. But these addresses are separated in different columns, like street name, number, city, province, postal code, and country. Sometimes we need this all combined in one cell separated by comma, like shown in column K. If we do manually to all these addresses, it might take a long time. That's why we can use formula here, the same concat formula that's easy and fast and effective. So what we do is we use the formula is equal to concat open parenthesis, then string 1 or text 1. We have to separate by comma. That's why we put the comma within the inverted comma and space. Then comma. Then you go to the second string, comma, and within the inverted comma put a space and comma again. Then go to the third string, comma, and within the inverted comma put the comma and go to the next string. Follow the same process. Finally the last string and close the parenthesis and hit enter. This way the address that is separated by comma is within one cell. And you can use the autofill formula to replicate this formula to all the cells below. So this will save your time, and this is the easy way to form in one cell or single column. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.